Perth's #1 tourist destination, and it's not a beach, it's Kings Park, a 400-hectare wonderland of wildflowers, boab trees, sweeping city views, and 2 cheeky spaniels named Monty and Bailey. We've spent every Sunday here for a month, and here's why we're still not sick of it. We're Hayden and Mark, and this is Hayden and Mark's Travels. We emigrated from the UK to Perth, Western Australia about 15 years ago, chasing sunshine, blue skies and a better lifestyle. And honestly, we found it. Perth has our hearts. One of the reasons is right here, Kings Park. It's become one of our favourite spots to visit, especially on a Sunday morning walk with Monty and Bailey, who, let's be honest, run the show. Kings Park is huge, bigger than New York Central Park, and it sits right above Perth CBD with views that'll stop you in your tracks. You've got 400 hectares of native bushland, botanical gardens and walking trails, and despite being smack bang in the middle of a major city, it somehow feels like total wilderness. Kings Park is also a celebration of Australian flora, from the iconic ancient trees to banksia, eucalyptus and frangipani. There's something in bloom every time we visit. And it's not just plants, the birds put on quite the show. We've spotted galahs, rainbow lorikeets, black cockatoos with bright orange tails. It's basically a feathered festival. Now let's talk about the views. This spot near Fraser's restaurant looks out over the entire city, Perth CBD, Swan River and all the way to South Perth. Perfect for sunset, photos or pretending you're in a travel commercial. One of the most moving places in Kings Park is the State War Memorial. The names of fallen soldiers are etched into the walls. It's a peaceful space to pause and remember, and the views make it even more poignant. Even Monty and Bailey seem to get reflective here. Kings Park is one of the best dog-friendly parks in Perth. Every time we go, we meet someone lovely walking their pooch. And yes, we've been told Monty looks like a fluffy prince more times than we can count. There's something about this place that brings people together. It's a real local gem that tourists are lucky enough to discover. So that's Kings Park, our favourite Sunday hangout and Perth's #1 tourist destination for a reason. If you're planning a trip to Western Australia or already live here and just forgot how amazing this place is, we highly recommend a visit. Make sure to subscribe because we've got more videos coming up all about Perth and Western Australia's best kept secrets. We're Hayden and Mark, and we'll see you and our dogs in the next one. So we just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody who's subscribed to our channel, Hayden and Mark's Travels. It means the world to us, doesn't it, Boo?
Yeah, absolutely does. So yeah, big thanks to all of you who subscribed, to all of you who have commented on our posts. We've had some lovely comments and even just a like, you know, all of those things do really help us to be able to continue to bring you some great content and keep us motivated to keep doing it as well, because it's not easy.
No.
And you know, things require lots of different takes. Goodness knows how many times we've shot this one. But yeah, it's great fun, and yeah, thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
And the editing as well. The editing takes a lot of effort, you know, like weeks sometimes to get it right. So we do appreciate, you know, when you share the videos as well to the people that you love in your life, and specifically when you make comments, because it does help it move up in the YouTube algorithm. So thanks again. Yeah,
thank you. Cheers guys.